Your phone is not just draining your battery, it's draining your presence, peace, and productivity. Namaste, Karyans. I'm Vanitha Ganeshmurthy, your Vedic To-Do List coach. Welcome to Vedic Productivity Talks, where we combine ancient wisdom with practical actions. Today, we are talking about a modern curse that is no digital detox. You may be connected to the world, but you are disconnected from yourself. I repeat, you may be connected to the world, but you are disconnected from yourself. So, what are the three problems that we are facing? From sunrise scrolls to midnight reels, we are drowning in notification, dopamine hits, and distractions. No stillness and no silence. What are the results of it? Point number one, decreased attention span. Point number two, increased anxiety. Point number three, shallow thinking and reactive decisions. I know you are busy, but are you present? What are the Vedic solution for it? The Rig Veda 10.71.4 teaches us, let us contemplate deeply in silence the truth that leads us to harmony. I repeat, let us contemplate deeply in silence the truth that leads us to harmony. In Vedic tradition, Mauna, that is silence, and Pratyahara, that is withdrawal of the senses, are powerful detox tools. They create a sacred space where thoughts settle and your inner voice gets louder than your inbox. I repeat, they create a sacred space where thoughts settle and your inner voice gets louder than your inbox. So, what are the action steps that you need to take? Try this. Create a digital sunset, no screens after 8 pm. Begin your day with 10 minutes of offline planning using a Vedic to do list. Dedicate one day or week for digital Mauna, a few hours without devices. Your mind needs offline time to regenerate inside. So, what are you supposed to do? Ready to reclaim your attention and energy? Join the Karya Siddhi Productivity Hub and experience Vedic time detox techniques inside our Vedic to do list launchpad. Let's stop scrolling and start Sankalpa living. What are you waiting for? Until then, I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.